ID.
You are using the temporary mail ID in Canva,
Yeah, yeah,
and that will not be working.
yeah,
Yes. Okay. For see one, you can do one more thing, and we are starting the class as well today. Okay. Like the students have joined, and it's time as well. So my screen is visible, right?
yeah. It is visible.
Yes. So the AI faceless video on the Canva, it's from the Fabler.
Yeah,
Okay.
visible. Yeah.
So we just search here AI faceless video Fabler, and no, it's not. Also, it's not on the Google. It's directly on the Canva.
Yeah, it is Canva.
It's Canva only, not on the
Yeah,
Google. Like
Canva.
HeyGen, that's also available in the website as well, but this one is not. I think
Okay. So any
Fabler.
alternate
No,
faceless
no,
video
it's
is available?
available. Like see here, I directly search their website, Fabler AI. Okay, I think it will be accessible from here. Yes, it's accessible. Like here. Okay, you can create.
Okay.
Just log out here and then log in with your temporary mail ID, and I think it will be working.
Okay, I'll check it once.
Yes.
Any other alternate the faceless video software is available?
We'll see according to your time. Okay.
Okay, okay,
I have to see the things here because as of now, this one is the best. Okay.
okay, okay.
So let's start with the today's session. Good evening, everyone, those who have joined. And yesterday we have done with our website designing part. Sorry, we have started with the website designing part. That means we created the home first page, this one, right? The sections we have created. I think you all have also created the website and started working on it even. So here, as you can see, till portfolio we were done. So next part was get in touch. One or two more things here, and then we will move to our next part of the website design as well. So get in touch. So suppose here you want every time, okay, not suppose, every time when you create the contact information or anything else, like here, like this version as well, okay, so always keep that in the footer, not in the section. Like this is the section, but below, as you can see, if we select, it's a footer, so we need to keep it in the footer itself. The reason I will tell you, but no, not right now, a little bit after. Like here, we just move this below this line as well, this tagline and the text, and delete this section. Done. We are in the footer now. I just make it smaller, keep it here, this footer, increasing the space of the footer here, and just 1 or 2 seconds. We are done. Like this. Get in touch. As we can see, get in touch. Let's start. Everything is in the footer, and here we need to add our logo as a design. So I am just removing this part, and we can change here the address, phone number, and the email ID for the contact of information. Now to add the logo here, we just go to the elements, we go to the image section here and upload image. Okay, we will upload a logo that we have created earlier during the logo creation part. And here I have to see where it is. like this one. Okay, the logo is here. We just paste it and select the logo to be here. Now the logo is here, but as you can see, it is in the white background, and we want this to be without the background. So what we can do here, we click on edit image. Okay, we don't need to go to the any third website for the background remover. Just click on edit image, and here we have the option of cutout on the left hand side. So click on cutout, auto cut, and it's done. Just click save and see. Done. The logo is here. We just keep it a little bit smaller and done. We can add here that is marketing with Mohit as well. Like I'm just using this text box as marketing with Mohit with the color of white. Keep the box smaller here like this one. In the center, the alignment should be center to make it align with the logo like this. The straight line, as you can see with the logo and the text, means it is aligned. Done. The logo part is also here, and the footer we have done. The next part that we have left with is the header only. Okay, header. So in the header, what we will have is a logo and the menu items, right? So for the logo, we can copy it from here itself. Just group them, copy them, and paste them here. It's here. Just make it like this, and this one. Done. The logo is here. The next part comes the header items, the menu items. Now to add the menu items, see here we have as in the Shorya's website, I have another one here as well. Like you can see, for your reference, I have opened it before the designs. Okay, so you can see this one as well. Like in the starting, there is a video in the background, the logo. Sorry, not the logo. It's the name of the website, business, about why digital marketing, but with the animations. Like you can see in points. Done. And the name is keeping all the time going on, and the services part, as you can see, the testimonials and the get in touch option. So the same we can do. I am sharing their link as well. You can have a look at them as well for your reference in the future. Okay, so like here, if I'm clicking on our services, so it redirect me to the this page directly, right? And if I click on contact us, then I directly to the contact page. So how we do the things here is we go to add elements. We have the option of menu and anchor. Then in the menu and anchor option, we have option of anchor here. And if you click on this, you will see this blue box kind of. So just click on this anchor, as you can see here, this one, but we need to put it in the starting of the about us page, like here, and rename it to the about us because it's the page name. Sorry, it's not the page name, it's the section name. Okay, so about us here. Then we scroll down and we here add another anchor and here positioning it on the above of the service part and change the name to the services here, and then next so on. Again I anchor here, the same process, it's here, just keeping it on the my portfolio, changing the name to my portfolio. And the last one is contact or get in touch, so we can keep it to the contact. Okay, contact us. I think it's will be clear to all as we have added for the each of the section again and again. So here we have added the anchors, that is for the about us, for the services, for portfolio and contact for each of the section. Now we need now we need to add the header here, that is the menu items. So for them, click on menu and anchor. Here we clicked on anchor, but now we need to click on here menus. As we can see different options, so we can choose any one. Suppose this one, here I'm choosing increasing its size like this, in the center here like this. Done. So we want to change these like projects, about and all. Click on manage menu. So when you click on manage menu, here you will see all the pages and sections again, everything. First thing, that's a new home page we are on, and it's a new page. Our project's a new page, contact a new section. So what we do, we just click on it on these three dots and click on delete option. See, what will happen is sometimes when you click on it, you might not see the delete option because it will be like here in the below part. So you need to press Control minus option from your keyboard to make the page a little smaller and delete it. And then the contact here and all these options as well, these pages, because we will create our own page. Done. As you can see, our website is here, fine, and the header is only the home page. So now we need to add others. How we add the, here click on add menu item. Okay, when we click on the header, click on manage menu and then click on add menu item. Now we added what? We added the anchor. So we add anchor here. Which page? This is a home page, and where on the page, select it to the about us. See, this is the anchor symbol. Okay, you select this section only, this anchor only. Anchor, about us, done. Here click on done. It is done. Again, for the next, add menu item, same, click on anchor, home page again, and we are on the page 2 services, this part. Now see, here is the section of service and the anchor as well. So what we click? We click on services only, the anchor one. Done. Here, and again click on anchor, the page to the my portfolios anchor, and the last and the final we have the contact one. Click on anchor here again of the contactors. Done. Here, as you can see above, all are here, but these are not in the sync, like home, contact, portfolio, services are about. So we can change them as well, the sync, that is after the home there is about, so we just drag it to the above like it, the, means left hold it and drag it to the above. left hold and drag it above, like here, this. Done. Pages we anchors we have added, the header. Now you want to change the color of it as well. You can click on design option here, customize design, and you can do anything like the background fill, that is this color. And if you just click on menu items here, see what do you want to design. Menu container, that is this green box in the background, the greenish shade. And menu items means these shades. So here are two options again, as we know, regular, hover. So for the regular, as you can see, the option of home is in the black. We can change the color of here, the text color to the white or anything else that is red, but that's also not clearly visible in the home. So for that, what we need to do, we need to text color, not of this. See here we have the current page. So in the current page, three options are here, that is regular, hover, and current. So regular means you all know, that is in the without the cursor, and hover means if we put our cursor on this, then it will appear like it. And for the current page means on which page we are right now. So we can just change the current page option here, background color to the white, and as you can see, it's done. Done. Now it's changed to the white, so it is visible uh, nicely. So we can have a preview of it with the preview option, and let's see how it works. See, if we click on services here, and it is redirecting us to service page. If we click on contact us, it is redirecting us to the contact page directly. Done. I think it's clear. Simple thing it was, like how to add the anchors and the header. Very nice. So here, back to editor. One more thing, when we added, when we deleted the pages in the manage menu, we press control minus, but we haven't pressed the control plus again, like here. So I forgot that one. Just keep in mind to always keep the size at the 100%. Okay, so here our desktop site is completed. Now to add, to change the mobile view, like how our website will appear in the mobile, you need to click on mobile view here. Switch to mobile, that is in the above left hand top. See, that is desktop, and switch to mobile. Just click on it, and it's here. Just skip this part here. So all the things are here, just like in the desktop, but we need to adjust them only. Okay, like here, this is the header. A lot of space is here on the above side. We can just keep it like this, like here on the left hand side, the name here on the right hand, like this, and keep the header a little bit smaller. Done. And this menu item as well in the center, so it will look balancing. Done. This name we can keep it in the center as well, that is settings, and here alignment to the left center. So one more thing, whatever you change in the desktop will whatever you change in the mobile will not be changed in the desktop. But if you change anything in the desktop, it will be changed in the mobile. Okay, so keep it in mind that if you do any of the changes in the mobile, you don't need to do in the desktop. But if you do any single change in desktop, you need to see that change in the mobile as well to make it look good. Like here it's in the center, the line we have, we can make it a little bit smaller in the center. And this tagline as well in the center alignment, this on the settings, alignment to the center, and keep it in the center a little bit above, like this. And our image smaller we can keep like it, and we can also keep it the same as it is way as it was in the desktop, like here in the settings in the left, this one as well in the left, but we need to make the text a little smaller. Done. And here this one in the two lines like this, and this text and this text a little bit above like it, and this call us option to here so that if anyone clicks it, it will be in the call. Done. The welcome section it is completed, but the size is very low, and there is a lot of space. We can keep it smaller like from here. Same, left hold in it and drag it to above like this. Done. So the next part we have a space is there. It's so we can keep the image like it. As you can see, font is a little big. We can keep it smaller like it, and this one to the above and a little smaller. Done. The space we have here, we need to keep the space here. Okay, so as you can see, if I'm trying to keep the space a little bit low, but it's not happening. Why? Because in between there is a strip, so I need to first keep the strip above, and it will automatically reduce the space. And here we do have the service part, the graphic design we have, just keep it above the name, the line, and here as you can see, so a space is there, so just keeping selecting the line and keeping it to the above, and like this. The next we have this, okay, done. So just like it, we keep this size, this line, this line, and a little, see here is a problem in choosing the sometimes, and here it is. And the same we can do with this one, and keep the size, the space a little lower, and here my portfolio increase its length, the alignment, and this slider we have, keep it smaller here like this, and increase its alignment like it. So if person comes on the website, he or she will know that there is a slider and it will be moved. Okay, from this slider icons like it. We keep this section as well smaller, and we need to keep it this way. Done. And the logo here, the last thing we have left, and it's done. Like you can see, our mobile view is also done here. Done. Now, one more thing. In the mobile, what is that? Suppose here I am deleting this. I deleted this part, but it's not deleted. Okay, remember this. It's not deleted, it's just hidden in mobile. Okay, here on your left hand side on these icons, the last one is the hidden on mobile. Just click on this and you will see all the items that are not, that are on the desktop but not in the mobile, because that are hidden here. Suppose this text we have hidden, just click on show and it is here. The strip we have one more, but it's not, like we can see it's nothing. This strip we all, it's a spacing blank space, and this one it's also a blank space, so we don't need to add them, just keep them hidden. Done. The mobile version, very simple.
One doubt.
Any? Yes,
Yes. How did you get this slider? My portfolio picture slider.
that was in the mobile desktop now. We added that
Okay.
slider from the desktop itself. Okay.
Actually, I missed that part. So,
Okay,
is there
we'll,
any menu?
yes, yes, we will see. Okay, not a problem.
Okay.
I will cover that again. So here is the mobile designs we have covered, but the last thing comes here, the mobile items. This one, the about contact information services, we have added in the desktop but not in the mobile because they are hidden here in this one. So they are not hidden exactly, but this is how items appear in the mobile site. So just click on it, double click it, and it will appear. You can change this one as well, like click on the design here. You see this option that is regular, simple, and selected. Simple. Like if you want to change the background, you can click on it, you can change it. Okay, and keep the background as lower as well. And same goes to the, again, borders, all sides, bottom, none. The text you want to change, the font size, color you want to change, everything you can do in this design option. And you can move them as well, that is from here, and this cross option as well, that if somebody wants to close this, so they can double click, they can click on it, it will be done. So this is how your mobile site will be completed. Now let's see the final of it by clicking on the preview option here. And as you can see, the mobile version, all the animations that we added in the desktop are here in the mobile. Done. And this, when we click, it is moving, and so on. So clear everyone, that is how to do the changes in the mobile website as well. Very nice. So here let's do the thing, last thing, that is publish. So if you click on publish option here, it will be live. Means anyone can see this. Suppose I clicked on the publish option, I click on view site here. You are seeing this. This is the live version. Means anybody can see this from the Google. Or I can just share this link like the others I have shared as a reference, and it will be done. Okay, done. Now the next part comes. Suppose we are as of now we need only this website, this one single page. We are done. But in future we want to add another pages. Means to add other pages on our website. How we do? Very simple. Here first go to the desktop, and here on the left hand side top you see this page option here, that is home only. So we just click on this. Here click on the manage pages, and there is not a single page as we have deleted them as well. There are only anchors. Suppose we want to add another page. On the top hand side we have the option of add page, and when you are click adding the page, here are the options, that is for the about, like some templates are here for the about page as well. For the service page, like you can see, means you want to add your services in a different page, the projects you want to add. Okay, suppose we want to add the services itself, so just clicking on the service here, and I like just choose a one option like this one here. This is how it will appear, so just click on add page. Here we can name it, so it's a service page, we are keeping it. Now you can see this page kind of, and this a anchor, like here it's a service anchor and it's a service page. So that's the difference. Now here the service page we have, we change, we do all the changes just like the home page we did. And in the starting, as I said, to keep the contact information in the footer itself is the reason is this, because header and footer remain same on all the pages. Like we do not need to add it individually on each of the page, because we want the header and the footer in, the contact information on all the pages itself. So that's why here is the footer of, that is our contact information. We can add the services name that you want, and the header we can see. Done. So that if anybody comes on the service page, they will have the option to come on the home page as well. So this is how you add n number of pages as well. That is, you can add another page, and if you want to move to the home page again, just click on pages and home. Done. Now how to link it? Suppose here this is a service page, it's only 3. Now we want to add more. Here we can add a button. Okay, we add a button here like this one, or keeping it in the left itself, that will be better. Here changing the text to view our services. Done. Keeping the size of the button a longer, and go to the layout version here. Here like you can see it's in the center. Keep the alignment to the left. And the next we have the design option to change its color because it's not visible here. See, when I click on the design, I have other options as well. So I can choose them like this. Done. So to link it, when you click on it, you will see the link option. And in the link option, we have first is none, means no link it will be there. For the page, we have which page. So just click on this and we select the services page here that we want to open. That means when somebody clicks on this button, this page will open. Same if you want to add another third party link. Suppose you want to add another website link, you can click on the web address and paste it here. And to add an anchor or section, like we have same here. And the document phone number we have covered yesterday. For the page, we are done here with the services and click on done. Done. The pages we have created as well here, but as you can see here on the website, it's not here because we haven't published it again. So you need to publish, means after publishing you can do any of the changes on your website, but you need to publish that again as well. Just click on publish, click on view site, and you can see here we have this option. So if I click on this, the page is open. Done. Easy. So this is how you can create so many pages and link them with each other, like you have seen on the websites. Like here we do have the website of the red table, let's suppose. So as here you can see men, women, kids. So just click on men. Suppose in the man we click on footwear, we have a different page for the footwear. So this is how you can create these pages. Okay, clear? Priyanagar. Yes, Hemant, it's confusing. That was just an example to show you the things. Okay, we can just delete the service part here. In this we can delete the anchor one, okay, to keep the page only. In the header we only keep the pages, but we don't have the page as on a single website. That's why we add the anchors. And if we have page, just keep the pages only, like a page of home, then a service page, create a about us page, create the portfolio, contact and service, all the pages differently and keep them here. Priya, you are saying we have done all the section in a single page. Can the section be created like you have done all the section in a single page? Then what section be created? Like not clear here. So that's the website thing here. If I click on home, it's home here. Done. Now, how to put those sliding sections like the other website link you have shared? You mean this one, I think, or you might be this one, the sliding one. So for that, we have the animations only. Okay, the animation part I have shared as well. So you need to keep, add the animations here. Like here on the animation, we have the entrance, or not the entrance, it's it's a scroll animation. So here we have the options. So you can just like this slant one, and let's see in the preview, like here as you can see, this is in the slanting. So this is how they will appear. And one more doubt was there for the sliding as well, like how to add this slider. Okay, that's the last one. After that we will see other options of the website. So to add it, removing it, go to the add elements here on the left hand side. We have the option of gallery here, and in the gallery, so many galleries options are here for the designs, but here we have the option of slider gallery, and this one I have added. Keeping it a lower one means a smaller one here, and click on change images. To change their image, just remove here by the delete option and add the pages, sorry, add images. So if you have uploaded already, you can select them here, or you can upload media again. Done, easy. Now this is all about the website, like how to create the website designing, how to create the complete website from the scratch, from the template. We have covered the mobile version, the header, footer, everything. Now the website is created, done, but we need to do its SEO as well. Just like blog, like in the blog part, we added the meta tags, we added the links, right? Just like that, we need to do the SEO here as well, but in a different way. Like here, we go to the dashboard of this website. You can go it from the Wix logo as well. Just click on it and go to dashboard. Okay, now here on this dashboard, in your left hand side, you will see the option of site and mobile app. So here on the site and mobile app, first option is website and SEO. Just click on that, and here you see this start your SEO journey to get found on Google. Just click on get started. Click on get started here. It will ask you some questions. Okay, you just only need to answer its questions and everything will be done, the SEO. So the business name, that is marketing with Mohit. Just next, where does this business serve its customer? That is, first one is this business serves customer from a physical address, that is a shop, store, or anything else. Then you can select this one. Or if it's a nationwide, then you can select this one, that is a online service, e-commerce, or blog, or personal websites, or anything. Or if it doesn't serve as well, so you keep this nationwide. Next, now you need to add 2 to 5 keywords here. Sorry, not 2 to 5, it's 5 keywords maximum. It's 2 to 5 words long keyword. Okay, keyword, you know, anything we search on the Google, it's a keyword. So like this, here's an example: online vintage comic book store. So what we have the website of marketing with Mohit, that is a digital marketing agency website. So we add here digital marketing agency, enter. We can add best digital marketing agency in India. Then what we add, with can else we add, like we can add here digital marketers in India as well, or we can add not digital marketer in India, digital marketers in Sonipat. Like here, I am in the Sonipat, Haryana. That's why I did the location of Sonipat. So whatever the location of yours one, you can add that one as well. Okay, so that if anybody search this, your website will appear. What else I can add is social media marketing services and graphic designing services
Sir,
near me.
e-services can be added.
Which services?
E-services, electronic e-services.
No, 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 not the e-services because nobody search that term. No, like if you want to know about a graphic designer, so you will search what? Graphic designers near me, right? You will not you search with the services specific. You will not search e-services near me because in e-services there are a lot of things,
Okay, sir.
right?
Okay, sir.
Yes, and the
Okay,
keyword
sir.
should
Thank you.
be
Got it.
okay. The keyword should be according to your website, what you are providing, and what the things you can do. For the keywords part, you can also do the chat GPT as well, like earlier, that you can just type it there. That I want to add some keywords on my website, and my website is regarding this services, and it will suggest you some keywords. So here the keywords are done. Also below, as you can see, there is a limit, the criteria, that is do not include your business or site name here, so we haven't done. Use descriptive words like vintage comic bookstore instead of only bookstore, like we have done as well. And done, just click on next. Now after that, your process starts here. So the first one is set the home page title for search result. Just click on this. Means how the home page will appear on the Google search result. Means like here we are searching digital Dronacharya, and this is the home page title, that is home digital Dronacharya most leading digital marketing training institute. That means okay, the exact one. So here we can just, it is giving us some options: marketing with Mohit, digital marketing agency, marketing with Mohit, best digital marketing agency in India, or another one, and we can add the other as well here. But there is a title requirement, that is at least one keyword. Means the one keyword we have used in the above, here the five keywords we have added, one of them should be here. So let's add here, that is digital marketing agency, or the best digital marketing agency. Done. All the three are done here. That is text length should be 10 to between 10 and 200 characters only. The business name, the at least one keyword. So everything's done here. On the right hand side, you can see the preview as well, like how it is appearing on the Google. Just here click on apply and publish. Every time you need to click on apply and publish here. Next comes add the home page description for search result. So what does this mean is, like searched here, that's the title, that's the description. Okay, so we call it as meta descriptions as well. So we can create that from where? We can create that from the chat GPT. So where we are taking the help of ChatGPT here. So what we can add here, that is write the meta description for the website of me, name marketing with Mohit, and we can add here, that is we are providing the services of the digital marketing, including graphic design, website design, content writing, and what else, that is social media marketing, and click on enter. Now it will write the meta description, but here, as you can see on the website, we have requirements as well, that is at least one keyword, the business name, and the text length should be 50 to 500 characters. We can add the text length between 50 to 500 characters, but do not, okay, you do not add that one. What you do is, like, you want your complete description to be visible here, like this one, keep the description in between 150 to 180 characters only. Okay, 150 to 180 characters. So just write it here, that keep the length between 150 to 180 characters, and also include the name of the business and the keyword. What was the keyword? That is digital marketing agency, and enter. Now it has given us some options here, so we can just, that is 174, 176 character, 168, we can add any of the one here. So suppose here we are adding this one, copy it, go to the website here, paste it here. All the requirements are done. Click on publish. Next is turn on the following feature. Let search engine index your homepage and site, means to rank your website on the Google. So of course, turn it on and apply and publish. Like you can see, all the options are done. All the options are given by the Wix itself. You just only need to read them and do the changes according to it. Next thing is connect this website to a custom domain. Means we need to connect our domain name here, but we do not have, so we will can just leave this part here. So also for the domain name, like yesterday we have talked, that if we purchase the premium version of the Wix, it is giving us 1 year hosting and domain free. So do not, you know, buy the hostings or domains from elsewhere. Otherwise, you will be having a lot of charges here. Okay, because you will spend like on the domain first, then on the hosting, and then you need to also, buy the premium version of Wix itself. So you are spending on the three different websites, but if you just keep the premium version of Wix, you don't need to spend more. Everything you will get here itself. So just this. Next is Google Search Console. So Google Search Console, we can connect, but we do not have a domain here, so we cannot, or we will not. Now, what is a Google Search Console? See, this is the website. Okay, these we have searched on the Google. I'm opening it now. I am the user. I see this website like this. Okay, I just scroll down. I click on this read more button, and I just fill this form. I go to this page here one more time like this. So I have clicked on this page, move to that one, and scroll this for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Now all this data is collected by Google Analytics. Okay, the name is Google Analytics. You might have heard the Google Analytics. So Google Analytics is a tool from the Google that collects the data of your website, like which user comes from where, for how much time, and the user comes from comes to which pages, explore which pages, for how much time, how many seconds, all the things, and clicked on which button. Everything we can see on the Google Analytics. That's it. But we are talking here for the Google Search Console. Now what's it? So the term is, in Google Analytics, we search the data from the user, like how user is interacting with our website. In Google Search Console, we can see how Google is interacting with our website. Means how Google is the Google's tool, crawler. We have talked about, like how crawler go to all the websites, fetch their data, and store it. So crawler comes to your website, crawler sees an issue, an error on your website. Now how you can see, like if there is a issue and crawler sees that. So that is the use of the Google Search Console. So if you connect the Google Search Console on your website, you can see which pages there is a issue and which are not ranking on the Google, what's or how much it is appearing on the Google. Everything you can see on Google Search Console. Clear? Here, the step one we have cleared, that is out of seven, five are done. The two are for the search console and the domain itself. Let's go to the step two here. And here we do have the first option, that is add alt text to all images on the home page. Means like what image is this we need to add. Just click on alt text here. These are the images name. So we need to add the image name here, like which image is this. So that's my image, so I can add here, that is Mohit Kaushik. That one also my name image, that is Mohit Kaushik here. That's the logo of the marketing with Mohit, so I added this one and this one as well. Added. All the names are done here, so we just click on apply alt text and done. On the home page, all the texts are here. Next is service page. The service page we have created. So it says set the service page title. That's already done here by itself. So like this one, the current title tag is services marketing with Mohi. So we can add it is as well if you want to, but it's already correct. So why don't? Next is service page meta description. Just click on this and we need to create the meta description for the service page. Same, we go for the chat GPT here. Click here, that is search here, that is create the meta descriptions for the services services page as well, and in 152 180 characters. Done. All the options are here. Just let's see. Mm, Here, explore Mohit with marketing, digital marketing services, including graphic design and all. Marketing with Mohit for expert digital marketing services, that is graphic design, website design, content writing, social media to elevate your brand. So we just copy this one and paste it here. Done, and click on apply and publish. Done. Next thing is add all text on all the images of the service page. Click on it. See, these are the images of some persons, that is the founder, co-founder, or all. So if we have added, like we haven't done any of the changes on that page, we just see. So you will see all the options here for the alt text as well. So if there is not alt text, you can just add the name. Suppose this is a name of our founder, Gauri Kapoor. So we just add here as the team name, all the members, just like that, and click on apply all text. That's done. Clear all the things. And here month we can directly copy from the chat GPT. No plagiarism issue will be here because it's only the title and the meta description, and that can be the same, right? Because see here, where we are. See, you search graphic design on the Google, you see this first website, then the second. Now, this website name is the Interaction Design Foundation. It has another thing in it. It one has another one. This one has another. And just like on the website of the Digital Dronacharya, like here, the meta description. Now there is a title. Sorry, there is a name and the keyword as well that we have used. So after using the keyword and the name, there will not be a plagiarism issue. Okay, already, and also crawler doesn't take the meta description and the title as the plagiarism, because that's the same thing can appear on all the websites as well. And Jareen, image has size definitions. Means, what do you really want to say? Just
Like we upload in MBs, no, sir. This much MB it should be.
no, there's no such thing.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you can upload any one of the size definition, but also everyone, while uploading images on the websites, whether it's on the Wix or other websites as well, try to keep your images below 1 MB or maximum 2 MB. Okay, maximum just 2 MB. The reason is, the more the size of the image will be, the more time it will take to load. And if it is taking time to load, your website speed will be slow. So that's a tip to increase your website speed. Just keep the image size in between 1 or 2 MB maximum. Okay, here we are on the SEO part. Like we have done SEO, all the parts we are cleared. Third one is just the SEO assistant. That's nothing. If you click on it, it will ask for the upgradation here. So that's nothing. Now here, as you can see, the SEO checklist as well, that is 77% out of 100. Why 77? Because we haven't connected the domain, the search console, and the service page we have done clearly. So that's why it is only 77%. Otherwise, it can be 90 plus. Try to keep this SU score above 90 only. Okay, by doing all the things it is asking, and it will be done. Now, here we have covered the SEO part. Done. Suppose now you want to add some payment gateways. That is like you want that someone come on your website and click on buy option, and then it will be redirect to a payment option that he or she can make a payment, and you get the payment of it. So what you do, you just click on getting paid here, the above option, and connect and setup. Here you will see the option of connect payment method. Click on this. You will see the PayPal, Razor Pay, PayU India, Cash Free, anything you can add here. Suppose you want to add the Razor Pay, click on connect, and here you can add the credentials of the Razor Pay that you can, you know, see from your Razor Pay account if you already have. But if you don't, you just click on Razor Pay account creation and you can create your account there. So this is how you can also add the payment gateways. Different. Razor Pay is good one as of now because it's charging a low. Their charges are low and also in good position as well. Also try to keep two payment gateways, means like here as you can see, PayPal, Razor Pay. So these two are preferable from our side always, that keep the Razor Pay as the primary, but if any case, keep PayPal as a backup. Suppose today Razor Pay is working fine. Now tomorrow at some point Razor Pay, there is some issues in Razor Pay's account. So you can just suddenly, immediately switch to the PayPal as well, because so that your customers, your buyers don't go away. Okay, they can always do the payment and keep shopping or keep doing the things. Any other thing?
Sir, I have a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Uh, what will be the basic difference how we view a website in Google and how the Google console will view the website?
See, there is the data only. Okay, there is data. Like here, I have the Google console. If it will, this one open. Yes. See, this is a Google Search Console. That's the my website digitally Bulan. You might have known. So this is the things, like the performance, like total 22 total web searches click, means 22 numbers. If anybody search on the Google, 22 of them click on my website, and more. That is how many indexing pages, means how many pages are indexed by the Google. That which page to give which ranking. That's the thing. Okay, just like the indexing we do in our copies, that on this page number, this is the uh, subject, this is the chapter. So that's like the same, that on which ranking, that is number 10 or number 12, which page to show. That's the indexing part and all the things. Like here if you see 122 are not indexed, means there are some issues on that, so I can just correct some points in it. Done. That's the use of the Google Search Console, and that's how you can see. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can explore that as well by yourself. Okay. Like in the demo version, you can explore. But the thing is, there is a time constraint as well, so we cannot do all the things. We can just only give you basic things like what the use of that website, what's the use of that thing. You just try to do the things, and if there is any doubt, if you want to ask anything, you can connect with us. We will be there after the classes as well. Like if you message us after 2 months, after 2 years, we will be there. Okay. So any of the doubts, class, like we have covered the website designing completely here, the published that as well, and all the things. You can ask anything. That's our 14 day today, and I just be grateful for you all as well, like all the answers you provide and the questions sometimes you ask. That's a good thing because if you don't ask, you don't learn. And we are here to answer your all the questions. Anything
Sir, I
like
have a doubt.
yes.
Sir, building a website is a little tricky part, but still everybody is using Chat GPT and giving prompts.
Hmm.
So everybody is trying to make a better website, but any extra tips to make it even better?
See, the things I have shared with you all the tools, you can use them. Suppose here I'm showing you this website, our website. You see this part here? That's like how the logo appearing and how it's moving. This is not done in the Wix. Like Wix is not giving us this option that if a logo appears and rounding up, moving in a circular form. So what we do, we use Canva. We created this complete video. This is a video. Okay, like here is another thing. Like here, as we can see again, some rays appear. There is a different thing in between, but we added our logo. So this is how it is appearing. So you can use the options of the Canva, and you can use the Google as well. Just try to analyze others website as well. Okay, like how they have created, what I can use from it, so you can have an idea and create your website. That's how you do it, the better things.
Okay, sir, thank you.
Okay. Yes. Shivaji, there is a note the thing how to measure the website banner. You just go to the Canva, search their website banner. Okay, just search website banner and you will see the sizes. So everyone, like
So,
we have
uh,
covered. Yes.
uh, does having a different domain, like apart from Wix site, make a difference?
No, not a difference. It's just about your finance. Difference on your finance only. Okay, like you paid 3,500 in Wix, and you pay extra 1,000 in other website to purchase the domain, just like GoDaddy. Then you will have to pay 4,500. But your work could be done in the 3,500 itself because Wix is giving your domain 1 year free. Not a difference.
Yes.
Okay, and marquee option in websites. Yes, Jareen, we do have the marquee options in websites. Like here, you want to add the marquee option, you just click on add elements. In the text, you have this text marquee, and these are the options. You can add them, and it will be done. That's the thing. Like here, I can share all the options. Like, and I have done some part as well. But if you do not check them out with yourself, it will not be possible. Okay.
Sir, if we have Facebook and Instagram page which are related to this website, web page, can we link them to
Yes,
our
we can. Yes, we can. Like
in
here,
which page, sir? Like my portfolio or where or services?
you can add them in your portfolio as well, or in your contact information or about us. Like in your about us, you can add that let's connect together and share something new. Follow us on the Instagram and Facebook. And on your Instagram and Facebook link, keep the logo of Facebook and Instagram and keep the link on it. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yes, Deepak, we can publish the website for some days for modification and then relaunch it again. There is not a thing. Okay. So, like
Sir,
I just said,
we sh- one more
yes,
doubt I have, sir.
yes.
For we should keep on updating our I mean,
Website. Keep on updating our website. That's you
yes,
want to say.
yes.
Yes. The answer is yes. Like in a month, just try to do a little bit change, one or two changes. Because if you do a single change, the crawler comes on your website. And the number of time crawler comes on your website got some ranking. Okay. That's why people add their blogs on their website so that they can add the blogs daily and crawler comes on your website daily and they got some ranking. So I hope every doubt is clear here, and we have done with the 14 days. So that's a huge thing. Like we have learned a lot of things here. We learn graphic design, we learn video editing, AI tools we have covered, the social media class. We also have in between all the things. Now we have covered with the website design as well, and it's done. So in the day 15th, it's all blank. So, but not. What is the thing is, tomorrow you will get to learn how to earn from these skills, like which are the platforms, the professional things you can do, or where you can apply these skills, all the things you will learn tomorrow. Okay, how you can earn from it, what should be your get prices, or what should you charge for it, everything. Yes, so that's the thing. Now we can connect with each other. Okay, on our Instagram you can connect with us, you can connect on our WhatsApp number as well, you can connect to any other. So for that, here I'm sharing the what links of the what uh, Instagram as well. Like in the chats you can see I have shared a link. Now I have also shared the link of the Google reviews. Like in these 14 days we are here together, so we want to see what you have learned. You can just drop some reviews to us to keep us motivated as well. And I also want you to you know earn something from this. And if you just do any of the thing, like a 10 rupees, 100, anything, just you know connect with us, like I have done this, I have done this, and I have a doubt here, so can you please help, we can do. Because our past students also does the things, like they still are connected with us. From like one was the student from the May batch, so that person is that sir is connected with me till now. And we help each other, like he is giving us some information, I am and asking some information from me. So this is how we grow in the world, right? Because if we don't connect with each other, we don't know about how the things work, then how it will do, how we will grow, no. right? Now suppose today if someone from you knows about the things that we don't, like some are on the higher positions as well, some are on the higher ages as well, right? And some are young generations might be as well here. So we learn the things here, and if we connect with each other we can learn a lot of things. Suppose in future you want to know some things about the marketing, you might connect with us. And if I know that if a person from you all is into the finances and I want a thing from the finance, I can connect with you. But this is the game of the networking. If we don't connect, you will not have a growth, I will not have a growth. But if we connect, we both grow together. Just connect with each other. I will also suggest that if you're students, you can connect with each other as well if you are comfortable. You can connect with our Instagram as well and drop a review like how you see, how you find these 15 days classes, what you have learned, and everything. Or if anything we can improve, you can also add that as well. We are open for the feedbacks. You can also share in the chats as well, like what are the things. Yes, I can also share my WhatsApp number here. And if you want to ask any other thing, you can ask, or just let me know what's your feedback. Okay. There's also a doubt. I just forgot that Manoj one, that how to upload Word, Excel on websites or document, PDF, etc. That is pending. So Manoj, we have also covered that as well, but not directly. The thing is, see, this is the website. You want to upload it here. This is the option, that is we can here add download the PDF. Suppose done. Now on the link option here, you can click on document, and in the document you can just click on choose file and upload that file from the upload media. Okay, suppose these are the files or whichever the file is, you just click on that and upload it here and add to page. Done. So if anybody clicks on this option, the file will be downloaded. Just like the PDF it was, you can also add the Excel sheet, you can also add the document file, anything. Clear? Okay, thank you so much. So just let me know the feedback of yours in the chats as well. What do you really want to, what do you really learn from all the days, and was it helpful for you or not, or any other feedback, the improvement we can do, anything you want to say. I am open.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, Alec. Thank you, Kamlesh. Thank you, Hemant. Thank you, Vardhini. Thank you so much, everyone. And I also got motivated from you also. Like I got to know some of you are above the 60s as well. So that's a huge thing. Like at that age, you are learning. And I also told that to my team as well. And they are also happy that yes, we are making something changes in your life, or we are actually doing something good in the world here. So thank you so much, everyone. And it's a pleasure to teach you all, the good persons and the learners you have. So thank you so much. Yes, Vardhini, of course we can share about the our team, Digital Dronacharya. See, we are the institute in Sonipat, Haryana, and we started a way back like 7 or 8 years maybe. So we have the founder, that is Miss Gauri Kapoor. She is the founder. She started Digital Dronacharya as a vision. Actually, the thing is, she is a cancer survivor. Okay, she has the cancer, and she got nothing to do because she cannot go outside and all the things. And then there comes the term digital marketing. She got into it, she learned that, and actually she learned it from the Google itself. And there was a mentor there from the in the Google. She learned it from there and started teaching. Then it all started. She teach some take the first batch. Okay, she took the first batch of the woman, the aged woman only. That is our around 40s, 50s or 60s, and it got successful. Then she started again and again. Then our sir Akash Sharma, you meet him as well in the social media class. He's the co-founder. They meet, and after meeting both, she just needed a push as well, because like I said, nobody can grow individually. So they both come together and make the Digital Dronacharya as Digital Dronacharya Private Limited, and make Akash Sharma as the co-founder and director. Then after some time, we I also got into the digital marketing thing. Like, I was not into the marketing basically, to be honest. I was just like, I don't want to do any of the sales or any of the things. It was just that I want to do the things that are from the home only, because that's a concept of me, a misconception that marketing means sales. But Gauri ma'am, she cleared it to me, and I got into it, and we came together. I learned from her a lot of things, and then she offered me that if I can teach. And to be honest, I the terms I remember, she just said, if you can, she just said, do you want to teach students in with us? And I just said that I will try because I am not into training. That's the exact thing, that I will try. I am not into training. But she knows about it. That if I just start teaching, there is no coming back, because the love we get from you all, the students, and that's the true thing. You all like, yes, a lot of love we get from you all on the Teachers' Day as well. And actually, it's right now been 5 years, 5 or 6 years, I am into teaching. This is how it all started. And in between, we start teaching the students with our institute in Noida as well. We also expanded there, and also we are teaching in MSME, as you all know, for the offline as well and for the online. And we are teaching in colleges as well, like some collabs are there. This is how our journey, how we started, and how we are doing. So I hope you like this, the little introduction of ours. And I just see on the chats as well about the Gauri ma'am, that how she started her things. And I just like, you can just say, so inspiring, because a person just, starting from the cancer days, it's huge thing. And right now, where the positivity we see, the positivity you might have seen in my terms as well, in my behavior, that's because of her. because she is the most positive girl, ma'am, the girl or woman you might see. In the tomorrow's class, I will make sure that she took it, so that you will meet her as well and learn a lot of things from her. She is the best. Okay, you will learn a lot of things from her. You can just ask any other questions, any of the things from the life itself, from the course, or from the digital marketing, any other perspective. So thank you so much, everyone. Thank you so much, Anand. Thank you so much. I just
Thank
see.
you, sir.
Nice to hear the things. So this is the love I was talking about. So thank you so much. We will be connected for sure, and you can connect with our Instagrams. Like I have shared for the Gauri ma'ams, Akash sir, and mine as well, and for our institute. And my number is also shared in, so you can connect with me there as well.
Sure, sir.
Okay. Just wanted to ask a request. Is there? Just put your reviews on the Google as well. The link I have shared. It will be grateful for us and for the team as well. Like what you really learned in this for 15 days. So thank you so much. We will meet for sure. And bye bye everyone.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye bye.